Now we are discussing about concrete block manufacturing business. It is most important in constructions, especially in construction business. It will be mostly useful. Concrete block manufacturing business. Concrete blocks are tiles. Tiles are the precast solid cement concrete products. India has been witnessing a boom in the construction business because of both residential buildings of making of bridges, malls or industries. A couple of years back, the red bricks were in trend, but now people have started using these concrete bricks because of their looks and durability. The major reason why builders use these concrete blocks is that as they are ready made, it helps them complete the projects timely. Nowadays, they are widely used in making a garden path, pavement, flooring, wall, etc. You can start this business by using simple machinery and raw material. Its investment is low, demand is high, and profits are enormous. And next point is concrete blocks manufacturing process. Mixing sand and gravel are transferred into storage bins by making use of a conveyor belt. Molding. Next thing is molding. Mixing, molding, and curing and cubing. These are the most important phases in concrete blocks manufacturing. Next, now we are discussing about molding. In molding, once this is mixed, it is dumped into an inclined concrete block conveyor and transported in an elevated hopper. And curing and cubing. And next point is how block is manufactured. How a block is manufactured. The concrete bricks manufacturing process consists of 4 steps: mixing, molding, curing, and cubing. There are concrete plants. Plants means building plants. Plants. Plants which only make concrete blocks, while others produce a variety of precast products like blocks, flat paver, decorative pieces like lawn edging, concrete bricks, etc. And next point is what is concrete block making machine. This is hydraulic concrete block making machine on wheels. It will lay blocks on a concrete floor and move to the next position. This process eliminates the need for wood or steel pallets. The mold and the ram are moved by hydraulic cylinders, which creates a much stronger block, and the block maker can use less cement. Next point is what is the size of a concrete block. Typically, concrete masonry units have nominal face dimensions of 8 inch by 16 inches and available in a nominal thickness is for 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 inches. Likewise, the different sizes will be there. So, this is the information, and the block making machinery is also most important. So, you can get all these details in indiamart.com is there. In that, you can get cement or concrete block manufacturing machinery will be there. You can get that machinery in bulk also available, in retail also it will be available, in small scale also it will be available according to your budget. So you can get it, and suppose if you want to know very clearly means, suppose a cement block making, you can search in YouTube videos also, cement block making process. Once if you get it, you can get the details how it will be processed, how many types of machineries are there. All these details you can get. You can study it, and please have, before starting this concrete block manufacturing business, first you should have a document. What should be done first, and next what should be done. Likewise, steps of process should be there, and you should have an own place or a rental place or a leased place should be there for processing concrete blocks, because it will take so much of space. So space should be there, and workers should be there, and all these will be there. So that basically you should have a capital, reserve capital should be there, because for having up to 6 months you cannot get any income, but it is, if you get in random also, it is minimum only. So cement blocks making raw material you should get it, and that is also you should get experience where to get, and when to get also, and machinery, and how to get, and what is the price, and process system, and the technicians also. If it is a large scale cement concrete block manufacturing, machinery means technicians should be there and the workers should be there. All these things personally you should have an idea. You should have a process, and the complete process should have an idea. You should have an idea, and you should have a project. Then you can start it. Then for the time being it will be successful. Then after 6 months you will see the income also. Then you will be settled very well. And it is a long term, generations wise, it is a well settled process. Once one concrete block manufacturing unit is there to you, means it is a long term asset to your generations also. First generation, second generation, third generation, or otherwise if your grandsons and sons will get a very good settlement in other areas also. You can sell out for the goodwill also. Likewise, concrete block manufacturing is always a goodwill company and good company also. But if you are having your own area, it is something better, because in the long run, without piece of rental problems, without the problems of rental, you can run it very well with peace of mind. So, but one thing is, you cannot get making today and getting next day income will not be there. So you should negotiate them. How much of cement block, concrete blocks are required to them, when the payment system will be there. Everything will be documented is better. But 1 acre, it is 2 lakhs means you need not have any document. But if it is more than 2 lakhs means you should have a process. Then only you will be successful. Wishing you all the best.